Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we can create Get API using Node.js with Mongoose. Let's start code. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have index.js file. Next, open your terminal and install Express and Mongoose package. For Express, write npm install Express command and press enter. Next, for Mongoose, write npm mongoose command and press enter. In package.json file, you can see we successfully install Express and Mongoose packages. Next, create a config.js file for Spirit database connection. First, import Mongoose package. Next, create a connection with database. In connect method we can pass the path of our server. Here, I can use a local server, so I pass localhost path. Here, I want to connect to ecom database, which have one collection named products. And in this collection we can get the product name, price, brand, and also get a category of the product. In connect method we can pass mongob // localhost 27017/ecom. Ecom is the name of database which we want to connect. Next we create a new file with name products.js. In this file we create a schemas and model for products. First, we import Mongoose packages. Next, create a schema. In this schema, we enter which data we can get from the user and set its type, example, string, number, etc. In this product collection, we want to save the name of product, price, brand, and category of product. Next, exports the model module. Here you have a question why we export model module. Because model contains a schema, due to this reason we export model module. In model, we have two parameters, first contain collection name and second contain our schema. Next, open your index.js file. First import Express package. Next, import config.js file here. Next, import products model form products.js file. Next, create an Express app. Next, choose a port where you can run your application. I choose 5000. Next, use app.get method. In get method we use two parameter, first root and second callback function. Next, I use res.send method to check our get API work properly or not. Next, open your terminal and run index.js file. Now, open your Postman and click on plus sign. Then select get method and write your URL here. I write http / localhost 5000/list. Here, list our root name. Next, click on send button. You can see in bottom container I get output, get API work, that mean our get method work properly. Next I write a code for getting data from database. I use find method to get record from database. I put data variable in res.send method. Our find method return a promise. For handling this promise I need to make a function async. Next, open your Postman. Click on send button. In bottom container you can see I get a record properly. I open a browser and run my app here. In browser you can see a result properly. In database, you can see I have a same record which we can get on browser using Get API. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.